Peanut butter and jelly pancakes? Yes. Yeah, that's a totally acceptable thing to put on the top. Put peanut butter in the batter? That's fine too. Chocolate chips in the batter? Yeah, great. Peanut butter and chocolate chips? That sounds fantastic. You want blueberries? Great. Oh. Blah, 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 blah. Oh man. Yay! Na 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 nom 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 nom. Yay, espresso! La 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 la. I'm gonna eat all your spaghetti. No one even noticed. Heck yeah! I'm stealing the spaghetti, stealing everything, eating all the things that keep you alive, making it all go into my stomach. Nothing you can do but cry. Na 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 na. That's it.
There you go.
Yeah. Bum bum. No, 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 no! I didn't want to go in that bush! Fine. Yes. Give me everything you own. Give me everything you like. I will take it all and stuff it in my mouth. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.